Hello, it's Jeffrey Romero, and this is the last project of the course. And this is my capstone. So, if you want to know more about this project, please read the readme.md file. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you the functionalities very quickly. At first, we have the home page. In the home page, there are listed all the contributions that are registered on the system. As you can see, there are different kind of contributions like this solution, this test, or even this notes. And we have a little thumbnail of the contribution. At the bottom of the page, we have this pagination that it is perfectly working. Now let's check the next functionality. So if we click on a single contribution, we are redirected to the contribution view page, where it is displayed some information about the contribution, like the teacher and program and career related to it, the timestamp, etc., and some images that were uploaded were with the contribution. So if we click on the images, we allow the user to see all the images and even apply some effects like the zoom in and zoom out by scrolling, or even these mirror effects. Now let's go for the next functionality, and this is the search page. So you can see we search for a teacher like Mauricio. The page filters out all the contribution that has Mauricio as their teacher. It's very important to notice that this allows the user to search even for a year, like 2020, and as you can see, we have now all the contributions that were uploaded in 2020. Let's go for the next functionality, and it is in this drop down button. As you can see, we are in the electronic engineering page. This has some semesters related to it. There are some semesters that has like this 3 courses related to it, or even 0 courses. These 3 courses, for example, has some teachers related to it, in this case 2 or 1. If we click on it, as you can see, there has been displayed 2 more bottoms, or in this case just 1. If we click on this budget tells us the number of contributions that are uploaded and are related to this teacher. So if we click on this, as you can see, we have now 4 contributions that are related to that teacher. Now let's check for the most important functionality, and it's the submit a contribution. So as you can see, we have this form that allows to choose these 3 kind of contributions, like this, or if we choose this, as you can see, the form changes. So let's try to upload one of these. Okay, now as you can see, we have filled out the form, and we have this field to upload some images. We can upload as many images as we want to, but in this case we just want to upload 2. So we select the images and click on the submit button, and now the contribution has been submitted, but it's not listed in the home page. And that drives us to the last functionality. So a user can log in, and we have this new option that allows us to moderate the contribution. So click on this, and as you can see, we have now these 3 buttons that allow us to reject, accept, or even edit the contribution. So as you can see, we can edit it, but by now just accept it. Click on OK, and if we go back to the home page, we now can see the new contribution listed with all of the rest. The last thing that I want to show you is that the page is fully responsive. As you can see, this is the responsive page, and if we click on this, we have this side menu, and we go to this part of the page, we have these effects. Pretty awesome. So thank you for all of this knowledge, and hope to see you soon.